Hi, my name is George from Tiny Tech Room, and you are here with me today because you have a problem, and most likely I have the solution for you. You want to add your own custom thumbnail to your own brand new video. So you have done the editing, you have uploaded, and you are ready to publish it. But for some reason, you cannot add your own custom thumbnail. You have done everything you could, verified your account, refreshed the browser, restarted the computer, so on and so forth. But still, you cannot do that. I had exactly the same problem, and the solution came by using my own phone. So you need to download the YouTube Studio app on your iPhone or Android devices, and you can find it by searching YouTube Studio. Once you have downloaded it, open it and log in with your own YouTube credentials. Now you will have access to your own dashboard. Find the video you want to change the thumbnail and tap on it. Now at the top right corner you will see there is a pencil icon. If you tap on this, then you will be able to edit the description and other settings of your existing video. There is a new pencil icon on the top left corner of your existing thumbnail. Tap on that as well. And now you can actually change the thumbnail. Click on the change, find the photo that you want to use as your thumbnail. If it's already on your phone, great. If it's not, please, you need to transfer it first. Then select your new thumbnail, crop it, edit it as you wish. Tap select, tap save, and you are ready to go. So, if you found this video useful and you think it will help others as well, remember, hit the like button and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.